The following video is intended for factory authorized and distributor authorized servicing agents. Manitowoc Ice encourages the use of authorized service agents to perform these procedures to avoid downtime and problems. Hello, and welcome to the Manitowoc Ice Service Training Center here in Manitowoc, Wisconsin. My name is Jonathan, and today I'm here to show you how to properly install the door and snout on a Manitowoc LB style bin. When you receive the LB style bin, the door and the snout will be packed inside the bin to allow for easy access through the entry door. Once you have positioned the bin in the desired location, installed the legs, leveled the bin, and connected the drain into the floor drain, we can install the snout. I'm going to be concentrating on installing the snout, so I'm not going to be going over installing the bin drain or the legs. When installing the door and snout, it must be sealed on the interior and exterior with silicone sealant to prevent leakage. Everything you need is provided with the bin, and the installation is done without any tools. All you need is your safety glasses and a pair of latex gloves. So let's get to it! Step 1. Using the primer provided, clean the area around the opening and the flat surface of the door and snout. Step 2. Place the top channel of the door and snout in the opening of the bin and push up to secure it in place. Step 3. Drop the bottom channel of the snout into the opening. Step 4. Using the silicone provided, apply a generous amount around the inside and outside perimeter of the snout. Step 5. Smooth the silicone to create a thorough seal. Apply a generous amount of sealant to prevent leaking. Step 10. Allow the silicone to dry for 24 hours before using the bin. And there you have it! 5 easy steps to install the door and snout on a Manitowoc LB style bin. For more information videos from Manitowoc Ice, visit our YouTube channel or see us at manitowoc.ice.com. Until next time, it's bye from me.